This fall, I've created a 4-week mindful self-compassion program here in Kingston at Samatva Yoga Studio, Gardeners and Princess. And each week, we're going to get together in person on Sunday afternoons from 2 to 4:30. And we're going to come together and learn even more deeply about what self-compassion is and how we drop the self-critical voice and drop perfectionism and come more consistently into compassion together with practices, small groups, breakout. We also do some very gentle yoga. And my longing for that is that people step away from the self-critical voice. No more self-criticism. Let's learn how to live in our interior selves with deep self-compassion. And I'm an ongoing work in progress around that, but I've made a lot of change around no more participation in the self-critical voice. Let's live in self-compassion together, and let's learn how.